Just out of curiosity, Matt, what's the biggest reason you're looking at outsource companies for your lead generation?
I love it. And he did two things. He put the softener on there, right? What's your biggest, I'm going to take it off my list. You're like chronologically right there with me, right? Boom. Number 3, this is exactly what I was going to say. What's your biggest reason for blank? What's your biggest reason for looking for outsource companies? What's your biggest reason for looking for sales coaching? What's your biggest reason for looking for a new home? What's your biggest reason for moving? That's an even better one, right? Let's say you're a custom home builder. What's your biggest reason for moving? Or what's your biggest reason for wanting to build a custom home? It's been my dream forever. Got it. When you say it's been your dream forever, can you kind of walk me through a specific example? You can flow these things. That was a great one. And if you noticed, he put the softener in front of it, just out of curiosity. Guys, trust me. And a lot of you don't have the courage yet, but stay on your Easton University portal. Keep coming to these calls. A lot of you don't have the courage right now to ask questions, especially when they deal with money, right? How much are you guys making right now? How much are you personally taking home right now? How much do you want to spend on this home? What's your budget for this software? When you put just out of curiosity in front of it, it makes the hard questions easy. Why? Because it's just out of curiosity. Just out of curiosity, what type of budget have you guys allocated for the software? Just out of curiosity, what's your biggest reason for moving? Just out of curiosity, what's your most important reason for outsourcing, right? Put that just out of curiosity in front of it. If you learned what I'm about to tell you 2 years ago, you'd be making $1 million in sales today. Traditional sales training and all the stuff you read in sales books, it doesn't work anymore. Your prospects have more access to information than ever before. They've got more choices than ever before. And they're being bombarded with emails, texts, and calls from crappy companies and individuals that are saying the exact same things you are. It's impossible for them to know the difference between you and the bad guys because you sound and seem the same. This is why you're not making the money you need to make to truly enjoy your life. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. Every day, salespeople just like you start making mid-6 figures and 7 figures a year in sales using our sales process. And we have over 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you at eastonuniversity.com to prove it. If you click the link here, you're going to see our on-demand video coaching platform, and live coaching with me twice a week is going to help you double or even triple the amount of money you're making in sales over the next 60 days. Click the link here. Easton University is more than a simpler way to sell. It's more than an interactive learning portal and live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now so you can be earning $1 million a year in sales sooner than you think.